This market that we're dealing right now, it's a $1 trillion plus market. It's an absolutely huge market, but before now it's been served, or underserved, I should say, by very dark, opaque, disparate, fragmented, hyperlocal mom and pops that are very specific to their local market. They can be somewhat predatory, they can be very, very unreliable. And that's why it's been very difficult for these particular borrowers to be able to scale their business. And we've been getting feedback from our borrowers about how amazing it is that they can do their projects now in a very quick, reliable, and standardized, transparent way. Since we put everything online, and we can show our borrowers exactly what we're doing as well as our investors. We can get feedback between our investors and our borrowers and back and forth and truly get the communication going. We can brand our borrowers to our investors so our investors know that this particular developer is highly reliable and it's always coming under budget and on time. And we've been getting emails from brokers saying, I can't believe this is available now at this point. This is going to completely remake this entire industry. And again, this is a massive, massive market. It's absolutely huge. We exist within that gap between the big banks and the very fragmented, dark, private money lenders that are offline, perhaps doing things on Excel spreadsheets, or they're mom and pops that may have $1 million here to lend, or maybe not, or the rates and terms may be different in the north side of the city than it is in the south side of the city, and so on. And we're actually using our technology and our data to be able to provide a performance profile that is similar or exceeding the best of what those hyperlocal offline lenders can do, and do it in a completely transparent way. We're bringing daylight to this entire industry.